Hi babies and welcome back to my vlog. Y'all, it's my first vlog for 2022. I hope this new year brings everybody love, prosperity, everything I want for yourself times many. So today's vlog is gonna be very chill. I'm now on my way back home and I have some cooking to do because yes, it's cooking. Woot woot. That might be in a separate video though because I want to do like a foodie Friday type segment where I do easy where I do easy recipes for like vegan/vegetarian dishes that I just make, and to show you like how to make your life easy, you know, I could eat healthy too. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, so that's that. I would pick you all back up when I reach home. Although don't mind the head. This head had a wash earlier. Oh Lord, it's been 2 weeks and this hair needs some TLC, you know? So yeah, I'ma see y'all when I reach home. Alright, so this is home. If all I have a fine balance, the place is a little warm, but outside it's gonna get rain and fall, so we'll see how that goes. So I have a content to do for a brand. I was supposed to do it since about 2 days ago, but I asked them for extension because I know sis was just going through that at that point in time. So I'm going to get ready to film my content now because I have to send that out tonight. You always see that video before this one, so I'll link it up in the cards if you haven't seen it already. And I just wanted to show you all this new brow product I'm going to try out. So this is the Perfect Brow by Kenzie Beauty. It is a local brand. So this is how it looks. I really like the packaging, real nice and cute. You know what you all will notice from my OGs will notice from my lashes, because I really like the Kenzie Beauty lashes. And these days the pink craze kind of taking over because I'm not seeing them as much in Pennywise as before. But yeah, so it's a dual-ended brow pencil. So in the packaging it has the dual-ended brow pencil. This one, this side because it is this side because it is what is this? Nothing like live TV, y'all. Okay, so it's just enough fallout. I don't know why, but okay. Do I snap it back into place or something? Okay, yes, I snapped it back into place. Beautiful, it's not coming off. So this side is this, which is good for like putting here like strokes and stuff. And then this side, let me make sure this one, yes, it's running properly, is the normal like pencil point type. And then you get a spoolie and a angle brush as well to help you out. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do my face to film that content, you know, just look a little presentable and think I'll be looking a hot mess. And I will come back to you all. I'll fast forward this part and I'll give you all my thoughts on the brow pencil at the end. I just finished filming the content that I had to film. Just finished editing it, and I'm sending it to the company. So while I do that, let me just let you all know what I thought about the eyebrow pencil. As you can see, sis, brows are popping. I did not use a lot of product. I give that eyebrow pencil like 5 stars. I definitely recommend that you get it. I honestly can't remember the price. I think it was like $40 or $30 for it. If I could find the price, I would put it right here on the screen. I highly recommend. The one that I got was brown black because my brows are dark, so I need like a darker one. They have, I think it's beige, brown, black. I'll have it right here for you all if I'm misquoting. And yeah, I really like it. It like precision is on point, and I just use the kind of thin one. I didn't use the angled side of it as yet, but yeah, I really like it. So yeah, y'all, I am going to cook. I am so hungry. I am so hungry. I'm going to cook, and then I'm going to eat, and I will see you guys in my next clip.
Let's be patient. It takes time to build back all the trust. I'm just saying, I know there's so much that we both lost. So cover me, will you please walk me home? We both know that 2 is better than one. I don't need a million diamonds, just one stone, just to be the only one you ever hold. Oh. The trees and the stars, our dreams and our scars, your highs and your lows, they'll come and they'll go. I've made it this far with you and apart. The spells that we broke, I'm ready, let's go. HiLo, 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 Let's just face it, there's a lot that we're both trying to hide. If I embrace it, will you speak your truth and save your lies? So cover me, will you please walk me home? We both know that 2 is better than one. I don't need a million diamonds, just one stone, just to be the only one you ever hold. Oh. The trees and the stars, our dreams and our scars, your highs and your lows, they'll come and they'll go. I've made it this far with you and apart. The spells that we broke, I'm ready, let's go. HiLo, 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 HiLo,
Bad nights, I've been haunted by the past nights. I remind you of the bad times. I've been blinded by the gaslight. I've been blinded by the... Last night I said some shit I can't take back. A little bit of something, you know that. Been 40 minutes now, I gotta quit. I guess I did it for the hell of it. Smoking like a roster. Need a little, gotta take a little edge off when you turn into a monster. Been on this shit all day, now it's gonna cost ya. Just figured this out, what you're all about, and I'm gonna block ya. Don't hit that gas, no brakes. At night, I've been haunted by the past nights. I remind you of the bad times. I've been blinded by the gaslight. I've been blinded by the... Forever feels like something's gonna end. I can't believe how well you could pretend. You ain't my friends, convince me of all my fears, then gone, where is she? Smoking like a roster. Need a little, gotta take a little edge off when you turn into a monster. Being on this shit all day, now it's gonna cost you. Just figured this out, what you're all about, and now I'm gonna block you. Don't hit that gas, no brakes. At night, I've been haunted by the past nights. I remind you of the bad times. I've been blinded by the gaslight. I've been blinded by
here to end off this week's vlog. I know this vlog was filled with a lot of food, but sis gonna be cooking a lot more this year, God's willing. So you'll be getting a lot of food content. I know I said I wanted to do Foodie Friday, but I'm not too sure if that might be a bit much. So what I'll do is just incorporate all the food into my vlogs, and then like all my other content you all will get next day during the week. The days I'm trying to upload are Fridays and Mondays, God's willing. So we'll see how that goes. Don't hold me to it, but you all will for sure get 2 videos per week. One will be a vlog and the other one will be like normal content, so either a review or a haul or hair content. And thank you to everybody who reached out to me to find out what's going on with videos, you know, what's going on, why they haven't seen a video for the year yet. You all are the real MVPs. We are back and better darlings, so I'll see you guys in my next video.